Hello viewers, today we are going to see the accountancy, commerce, intermediate first year, important questions, exam point of view. If you see the full video, you can score the good marks in intermediate first year. Here we are going to see now long answer questions. Here you can see the first one long answer. Define sole proprietorship. What are its merits and limitations? Here features also sometimes they will ask. Sole proprietorship, merits and limitations. Single ownership. Sole proprietorship means single owner is and he is not sharing profit to anybody. He will take the risk, he will motivate the employees, and it is easy to start the business. And it is not suitable for the large scale business, and it is only for the small scale business, and liability is unlimited in the sole trading. So this is about the sole proprietorship business, and he is a supreme judge for all the matters of the business. And second question is features of cooperative society. Features of cooperative society. There are different types of features is there. Cooperative society means co means with operary means to work. So that word derived from the cooperary, Latin word. One is for all is for one. Each for all for each is a motto of the Cooperative Society. Cooperative Society Act 1912. According to this act, many features is there. It is open membership for everyone. And here for cooperative society, maximum there is no limit. Any numbers they can join in the cooperative society. Any religion, any caste, any color. So nothing is there like that. Anybody can join in the cooperative society with a similar interest, economical interest. Okay, and cooperative society, here registration is compulsory. According to 1912 Cooperative Society Act, registration is compulsory. Okay, and also here the government control is there. Limited liability is there in cooperative society, and one man one vote is there. One man one vote. One man one vote. Democratic management is there. Democratic management in cooperative society. And also members. For the multi-state cooperative society, single-state cooperative society, members are different. Members are different. Okay. And here you can see the third question. Define business finance. Explain its need and significance. Business finance need and significance. Business finance need and significance. One of the important question. Here business finance means for the human being how the blood is needed. Blood is needed. So here same way for the business finance is needed. Finance is needed. If you go to the any department in the business, finance, without finance we can't do anything. So finance is very, very important, and it is mainly for the fixed capital, working capital, or short term or long term. And to purchase anything, we need the finance. So this business finance, why we need means for the fixed capital to purchase fixed assets, for the working capital to pay the payments or the payment of the liability, research and development, for the diversification, or for the expansion of the business, for the payment of the expenses. For everything we need the business finance. Without finance, all these things are not possible. And here, fourth question, factors to determine business finance. Some factors is there. Based on the factors only, we can determine whether it is a short-term finance, long-term finance, medium-term finance. Based on the business nature, business scope, business size, we will get the finance. And And here, fifth question, advantages and disadvantages of partnership. Advantages and disadvantages of partnership. Here in this third and fourth question, third, business finance, only one question you will get for long answer. And fifth one, advantages and disadvantages of the partnership. Advantages, merits, uses, everything is same only. Disadvantages, limitations are same only. Here partnership means two or more persons, they are doing the business to share the profit. So this partnership is according to the Partnership Act, Indian Partnership Act 1932. 1932. Okay. One is acting for all is acting for one. Mainly sharing of profit. Okay. And features of joint stock company. Sixth question, features of joint stock company. Joint stock company. It is like a joint stock company means according to the 1956 Company Act, company is a artificial person. Company is an artificial person. If you see, every company is having some name. Okay, SBI Bank is there. SBI name is there. State Bank of India. Insurance company's name is there. HDFC Bank name. Canara Bank name. Reliance company name. So the name of the company we are calling means it is a artificial person. Company is an artificial person which is created by the act or which is created by the law. See, generally we are the human being, we created by the God. Company we are creating. We are creating company. How? Based on the law. Based on the Company Act, we are creating the joint stock company. It is an artificial person and it will continue for a long period. Means perpetual existence is there. And common seal for agreements, they will use the common seal. And also, here shares dealing is there. Transferability of the share. They can transfer the shares one person to another person. And also here the membership is there in company. For public company minimum 2, for private company minimum 2, for public company minimum 7. The maximum for public company no limit, for private company 50 members is there. So like that membership is there. And different types of companies also is there. And we can see the advantages and disadvantages of the joint stock company. Seventh question, advantages and disadvantages of the joint stock company. There are some advantages and disadvantages, benefits and disadvantages of the joint stock company. We have to write in this seventh answer. Next, eighth one, clauses of MOA. Clauses of MOA. Clauses of Memorandum of Association. MOA stands Memorandum of Association. This is a MOA is an external document. See, company registration time, we need to prepare. The company need to prepare the important documents. Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, Prospectus and Agreements. All these they have to submit to the registrar. So in this Memorandum of Association, some clauses is there. These clauses contains important information. And we are calling this MOA document is a company constitution or it is a company external document. Clauses of Memorandum of Association, name clause, capital clause, subscription clause, association clause, registration office clause, liability clause. These are the different types of clauses is there in the Memorandum of Association. Okay. And next we'll see the ninth question, contents of AOA. Contents of AOA. AOA stands Articles of Association. Articles of Association. Here, contents means what are the information is there in a AOA document. AOA is an internal document. MOA external document, AOA internal document. This AOA contains the rules and regulations of the company. To run the company, we need the rules and regulations. So this contains the rules and regulation of the company. In this, full information company is there. AOA. Directors information, shareholders information, everything is there. And in 10th question, contents of prospectus. Contents of prospectus. Prospectus is the third document. Prospectus means invitation to the public. When the new company is inviting public to invest in the company. Okay. Without knowing about the company, can you invest? No. So, by seeing this prospectus, it is like an advertisement. Prospectus is like an advertisement, paper advertisement, not television. This prospectus contains the full information, detailed information about the company. Company name, company profits, company losses, company directors qualification, company directors remuneration, shareholders, authorized shares, issued shares, company previous year profits, what is the present position of the company, company interest, company shares, company auditors details. So everything is there. Company dividends, everything information, full information of the company is there in the prospectus. Okay. These 10 questions are the long answer questions. Okay. And next, very short, for 2 marks. For 2 marks, they will ask 8 or 10 questions. 8 or 10. You have to answer only 5. 5 into 2 equals to 10 marks. Okay. Here for 2 marks, Karta is asking. Karta means head of the family. Head of the family is the manager of the family. Profession. Profession means it is an occupation. Professional persons will get the fees. Like doctors, lawyers, teachers, CA, chartered accountants. Business. Business is means being busy, or business is nothing but the buying, selling and exchanging of the goods and services for making the profit. It is business. Employment. Employment means relation between the employer and employee. Employer giving job to the employee, employee doing work, he will get the salary, employee get the salary. Next, promotion. Or promotion means promoting the business. Promoting the business. In this, promoter is there. Promoter. Promoter means the person who starts the business, who have that idea, who has that idea to start a business. He is a promoter. He want to start a new business with his idea. He is a promoter. Okay. And prospectus, just now we discussed the prospectus is a document which contains the company full information. It is an advertisement, invitation. 7th question, retained earnings. Retained earnings. Retained earnings means it is the earning of the company. From the company profit, they will keep some amount aside for the future benefit, or again they will reinvest. Okay. Company profit, they will not use to issue. They will use for the reinvestment. Reinvestment. Retained earnings. Okay. Cash credit. Cash credit is a short-term amount. Short-term finance. Cash credit is a short-term finance. E-commerce. Electronic commerce. By using the electronic devices, distribution we are doing. It is electronic commerce. E-trade. Electronic trade. Buying and selling activity we are doing through the electronic devices, electronic gadgets. Partnership deed. Partnership deed is a written document. In partners, they will write a written document between the partners. It is an agreement. MSME, micro, small and medium enterprise. In this, anyone you will get. Micro enterprise, small enterprise, medium enterprise. Micro, small and medium enterprise. Micro means very small. Small means little bit better than the micro. Medium means better than the small. These enterprises is there in India. And co-personers. Co-personers are the other members in the Joint Hindu family business. Joint Hindu family business. These are the 2 marks answers. 2 marks answers. We'll see the 5 marks questions. Here 5 marks questions for commerce. Features of business. Features of business. Sales, transfer, exchange, goods and services, continuity in transactions, profit motives, risk and uncertainty, and one more is it is a art as well as science. Types of industry. There are different types of industries is there. Primary industry, genetic industry, extractive industry, constructive industry, manufacturing industry, service industry. These are the different types of industries. Next, third question, types of aids to trade. Types of aids to trade. Aids to trade are auxiliaries to trade. It provides the facility to trade. They are types of aids to trade. Banking, bank provides finance, and information, knowledge, warehouse for the storage, insurance for the risk taking, and transportation for the place, one place to another place. Okay, banking, warehouse, transportation, insurance, communication. All these are the types of aids to trade. Types of trade. Types of trade mainly 2 types. Home trade, foreign trade. Home trade is classified into 2 types. Wholesale trade, retail trade. And also foreign trade is classified into 3 types. Import, export, entry-port trade. Okay. Next, types of partners. Different types of partners is there. Active partner, sleeping partner, nominal partner, stable partner, partners in profit, endowment partner by the holding out, incoming partner, outgoing partner, minor partner. These are the different types of partners. We can explain any 5 for the 5 marks. If long answer means all points you have to explain. Next, 6th question is types of companies. Types of companies. Different types of companies is there. Public company, private company, government company, statutory company, registered company, Indian companies, national company, international company. These are the subsidiary companies, holding company, different types of companies. Any 5 companies you have to explain for the 5 marks. Next, types of cooperative society. Types of cooperative society. Types of cooperative society. There are different types of cooperative societies. Consumer cooperative society, producer cooperative society, marketing cooperative society, farming cooperative society, credit cooperative society, housing cooperative society. Okay, these are the different types of cooperative societies. Next, 8th question is types of promoters. Different types of promoters is there. Promoters, who promotes the business, who starts a new business with their new idea. So they are like a professional promoters, institutional promoters, accidental promoters, innovative promoters. These are the different types of promoters. Next, partnership deed. Partnership deed is a written agreement It is a private document, not public document, and it is signed by the all partners. It contains the partnership name, partnership duration, partnership profit and loss sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on drawings, and winding up of the partnership business. Everything is written in the partnership deed. Next, difference between the 10th question, difference between the MOA and AOA. Difference between the Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. Memorandum is a external document, articles is the internal document. Memorandum is the constitution of the business, articles of association is the rules and regulations of the business. 11th question, difference between the share and debentures. Share and debentures. 11th one, difference between the share and debenture. Share is a ownership, owner's equity, share, and debenture is a acknowledgement of the debt. Acknowledgement of the debt. Shareholders are the inside persons, like they are the owners, they have the voting rights. Debenture holders, they are not owners, they don't have the voting rights. And equity and preference shares. Equity share and preference shares. Difference between the equity share and preference shares. Equity shares, ownership shares. Preference shares is not a ownership share. Equity shareholders, absolutely voting rights they have. Preference shareholders, they have the limited rights. Okay, and here, and you can see 13th question, features of MNC. Features of MNC. Features of MNC. Features of MNC. MNC stands multinational corporations or multinational companies. MNCs. MNC features: larger size business, expansion of the business, international business, and in we can do the more business with other countries. Development is possibility, giant size. Okay, so everything is possible, and sophisticated technology, advanced technology we can get because of the multinational companies. Okay, in multinational companies, home country, host country is there. Home country means where the head office is there. Host means where the branches is there. That country is a host country. Here next one, advantages of MNC. MNC, multinational corporations, more advantages is there for the home country, host country. And next one is 15th question, advantages of e-business. E-business, electronic business. Advantages. Here, advantages to society, advantages to customers, advantages to business. Like these different advantages is there. 16th question, advantages of equity shares. Advantages of equity shares. Different types of advantages of equity shares is there. Equity shareholders have the voting rights. Equity shareholders will participate in the management. Equity shareholders will get the dividends. Okay, so many benefits is there for the equity shareholders. These are the 5 marks questions in the commerce. Now we'll see the accountancy 5 marks theory questions. See accounting important questions. Classification of accounts. Classification of accounts. Personal account, impersonal account. Accounts are classified into personal and impersonal. In personal account, artificial persons and representative persons, natural persons. Okay, and impersonal classified into real account and nominal account. Personal account, all persons will come, name of the person, and real account, all assets will come. Nominal account, all expenses and losses will come. Okay, next, second one, accounting rules. There are debit rule and credit rule. Accounting rule is debit and credit rule. Okay, based on the dual aspect concept, debit rule, credit rule is there. Okay, we are calling it as a double entry system. Next, third one, principles of accounts. Principles of accounts. Principles of accounts means it is a combination of the concepts and conventions. Concepts and conventions. Then only we are calling it as the accounting principles. Concepts. business entity concept, dual aspect concept, cost concept, accrual concept, matching concept, accounting period concept. These are the many different types of the concepts, very important one. And also conventions is there. Principles means concepts and conventions. Conventions, convention of materiality, conventions of consistency, conventions of disclosure, all the different types of the conventions. Next, types of errors. Types of errors. Errors is there in the accountancy. Okay, so how we should rectify the errors? Before that, we should know about the types of errors. Errors of omission, errors of commission, errors of trial balance. Sometimes we can rectify in the through the trial balance also. By doing the accounts, sometimes we may do the mistakes also. Mistakes in the rules, mistakes in the amounts, wrong posting, wrong amounts. So like that will happen. So these are the errors. Next, fifth one, difference between the passbook and cash book. Difference between the passbook and cash book. It is related to the BRS, bank reconciliation statement. Passbook maintained by the bank, cash book maintained by the customer. Okay. Types of subsidiary books. Different types of subsidiary books is there. Sales book, purchase book, sales return, purchase return, bills receivable, bills payable book, cash book, and journal proper. All these are the types of subsidiary books. Next, difference between the accounting and bookkeeping. Accounting done by the accountant, bookkeeping done by the clerk, clerical work. Next, contra entry. Eighth one, contra entry. When we are preparing the triple column cash book, one entry will write deposited in bank, withdraw from the bank. That will write in both sides, debit side and credit side. We are calling it as a contra entry. We are showing it. It indicates C. C indicates the contra entry. Contra entry. Next, ninth one, debit and credit note. Debit note and credit note. When we are dealing with the sales return, purchase return, we will use this debit note and credit note. Debit note for the purchase return, credit note for the sales return, like that. We'll use for the these notes we will prepare when returns is there. 10th one, impressed system. Impressed system comes under the petty cash book. Impressed system, main cashier will give money to the sub cashier. Sub cashier will pay the amount. Whatever the small petty expenses is there, he will pay, and he will prepare this petty cash book. Sub cashier will prepare this petty cash book. We are calling it as a impressed system. Next one, BRS, bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. There is a difference between the passbook and cash book. The differences, why the difference is there, that we have to write in the correct way. Okay, that is nothing but the BRS. Compare the passbook and cash book. Next one, 12th one, accounting. What is an account? Accounting is a recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the information to the users, providing information to the users. Next, in accounts, problematic is there. Problematic. We'll see the problematic here. You can see final accounts for the 20 marks. In final accounts, you have to prepare the trading, profit and loss, balance sheet. 3 you have to prepare. With adjustments, you will get the 20 marks. Next one, 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. Triple column cash book, 3-column cash book. For this 3-column cash book, you have to write all cash receipts and check received, debit side, cash payment, check issued, credit side. Amount column, 3 columns you have to maintain. Cash column, bank column, and discount column. Next, in this 3 column, contra entry is important. Both side you have to record. Next one, BRS, bank reconciliation statement. In this BRS, sometimes you will get the problem and sometimes you will get the theory also. Okay. From this 3 column cash book and BRS, choice is there. Anyone you can write. 3 column you are writing means BRS no need. BRS you are writing means 3 column no need. Okay. Anyone. So 10 marks, one problem is there. Ledger 5 marks. Ledger account we have to prepare. Like Ramu account, Sudha account, Naveen account, like that we have to prepare the ledger account. Subsidiary books. This ledger is opposite to the journal entry. Okay. Subsidiary books. Subsidiary book 5 marks. Prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return. Like that we have to prepare the book. Simple cash book. Simple cash book is a single column cash book. All cash receipts debit side, cash payments credit side. Next one, 2 marks journal entry. Journal entry we have to prepare and we have to post in the particular format. Journal proper, preparation of the journal proper. It includes the assets and liabilities. Assets minus liabilities equals to capital. Next, trial balance. Trial balance we have to prepare. This trial balance also 2 marks. Journal proper 2 marks. Trial balance also 2 marks here. Okay. This trial balance, all expenses, losses, assets debit, all incomes, gains, liabilities credit. Okay. These are the problematic. Okay. So by understanding this, I hope you understood and you will gain the good score in this accountancy exam. All the best. Thank you.